Whoa. Wow. Okay. Hey there, guys. We're playing Don't Press the Button. Wow. Well, okay. Whoa. Put all the fireworks spread across the base plate together to make a firework. Ooh, 9 out of 10. Okay. Wow. Happy New Year. It's not really New Year. Okay. Where's the firework? Oh, it's right there. Beautiful. I said beautiful. Ooh, diamond and coin. Oh. Cross the road. Whoa. Okay. Everything's freezing. Whoa. What am I, from the Matrix or something? Oh, what? What? How am I supposed to do that? I'm literally from the Matrix. Whoa. How did you get that? Ooh, what's this? Maybe that's why she was able to get it. Oh. Oh, it's here. It's right here. Press the button. I'm not supposed to press the button. No, I pressed the button. Okay. Oh no, bombs are falling from the sky. Put them away. Push them away. Oh, Me dead. You died too? Oh wow. It's like Mario Party. Wow. Okay. What's happening? Well, be careful there. Careful there, guys. The music fits in Mario Party and yeah. Whoa. No. Jump to the top. What? Out here, using the clouds. Whee! Whee! Ouch! Whee! Cloudy situation. Such a cloudy situation. Let's go! I'm the cloudy situation. Yes! No, I'm gonna make it. Who's gonna make it? Yeah! Did I make it? Yeah! I did it! Woo! Ah! Okay. Whoa! Diamond! Give me that. What? Oh, does that body? What the body? What are you doing here? You're in the wrong game. You look pretty cursed, body. Cursed body. I don't like you, cursed body. No, slap him. Whoa. Body exploded. Come on, let me touch the button. Let me touch the button. What? Oh no, I know this. Oh, Oh, let's go trick-or-treating. Ooh. Should we knock on this door? The worst thing that could happen is a ghost answering. Yes, we should. Come on, let's go. Trick-or-treat. Oh no. Watch out for its attacks. Oh no. Oh no. No, I died. I guess everyone's gonna die. Everyone's bad at this. Yep, I knew it. Wesley poop. I see a little block of ice. Whoa. Finish the obby. Ooh. Flintstones playing. Here's the Flintstones. Woo. Ouchie. Ouch. I don't think I'm gonna make it, but at least I try. Ouch. Okay, come on. There's diamonds everywhere. What do you get at the end of this obby? 1 million diamonds or something? Okay, let's see. Ooh, maybe that's why. That's how she got it. That's how she... Oh. Get through all of the 6 rings. Wow. Come on, let me choose the first one. Second. Whoa. Let me in this one. Wow. Very majestic music. Very classical. You have so much time. So calming. Chica. Wow. Chica 123. Yay, Chica! Where's Five Nights at Freddy's? Hey Chica, where's Freddy? Do you know where he is? Okay, how much coins do we have? 27. No, we don't have enough. Well, zombies and skeletons will come out of the grave soon. Well, defeat the monsters, okay. Oh no. Okay, come on. Oh no, oh no, oh no. There we go. A skeleton. Ask Mr. Skelly. Ask Mr. Skelly. It's Mr. Skelly. Hey, the owner, if you're watching this, can you please just add Freddy in here? Please. Or at least anything that is like a animatronic or something. I would really like it. I would like your game. Well, Okay. Let's see. Oh, there we go. There we go. Very nice game. I like it already. Ooh, man. I haven't seen any more monsters. Whoa, there's one coming out of here. Yes, there we go. Whoa, okay. Wow. What's that? Speed potion. Yay! Whoa, speed potion. Well, I'm faster. Yay, I'm a little bit faster. Oh no! Fire extinguisher? Where's the fire extinguisher? I don't see it. Oh, she has it. Come on, just use it. Oh, there we go. Thank you. Okay, come on. Oh. Okay. Stranded. Find Lux to make a bridge and cross over. Ooh. Ooh, what about this one? Collect? I'm gonna use for this. Log. We can't collect two. What are we gonna do? We just magically make this log into a plank. Okay, I understand. That's perfectly normal. Wait, where'd the... Oh wait, it's right here. Come on. Come on, we need to cross over to the haunted bridge. I don't know why we're doing this. Wait, can't we just jump across? Wait, what? The bridge has been built. The adventure continues. Wow, fating. Hello, fating. Oh, finish the obby? Okay. Hopefully I won't die. Hope I just did, but... Okay, let's try this again. Let's see what happens if we make it to the end. What? I didn't touch it. Me no touchy. Here's the Flintstones. Whoa. Okay, finish the obby. Lava jumps. I'm on mobile. This is way harder than you guys think. It's probably better on like PC or something. Okay. Find the correct key for the doctor. Is this the correct key? Does this work? Boop. Brr. Like the sound it makes, like brr. Is this it? Whoa, it's a golden key. Boo. Boo. No. Is there any more? Okay. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, another golden one. Whoa. Yay. Whoa, we're at the button. Hello. Watch out, boulders are coming. Oh no. Where are they? Oh, this way. Come on. And yeah! You did it. I survived. I survived. Oh, get on the blue platform. There we go. Yeah, we did it. Woo! What does the sign say? Oh, cross the parkour back and forth as many times as you can. Okay. Oh, spinner, spinner. Ah. Ouch. Boop, 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 boop. Oh, be careful. Boom. Come on, I'm not that patient. Oh, ah! That was supposed to be easy peasy. Come on, this is supposed to be easy uppy. It's not really the name, but... Somebody's name is Butt. Ah! Who laughed? Somebody laughed. Whoa! Ah! Oh, but it's definitely not me. Ah! Ouch! Ouchie! Chica 123. Hey Chica, where's Freddy? Get ready to play spinning cube. Oh. Guess the name already tells me. Whoa. Stay on the spinning cube for as long as you can. Nope. No. Phew. Yep, this is definitely like Mario Party. Oh, no. No, be careful. No. No. You up there, what are you doing in that box? Chica 123, Mr. Wowzy Bellzy, and... Okay, I didn't read that all, but... It's time for a trivia question. What's 10 plus 10? Plus 20. You chose the correct answer. Plus 10 coins. How much coins do I have? 51, okay. Okay, that was easy. Okay, get ready to sword fight. Oh no, I don't like this. I don't like the sound of this. Me no likey the sound of this. Am I in the Matrix right now? I can just get you. What? What? Oh. Come on. Whoa. Cross the road. Ouch. Yeah. Okay. Chica keeps on winning. Hold up. Sorry there, guys. Okay. King of the hill. Get to the top and don't get pushed off. No, Chica 123. How dare you do that? Chica 123, how dare you do that? Ouch. I'm sorry for not killing you in my videos. Come back here. Ouch. Chica 123. No, I'm angry that I include you in my videos. Come on. Whoa. Whoa. Meet the noob. Oh no. Ah! Ouchie. Okay. Guess that's enough for your night now. Ooh, Sonic. Nice. Wee! Thank you for watching. And And I hope you have a great time. And you have a great day too. And also, thank you for watching. Yeah. And if you're new, you should subscribe. Woo. Yeah. Okay.